Okay, true to form, I can't get it to do it in front of you. They were falling out like crazy, but see how loose these are. You pull them out and they just wobble so much, and you can see in there the little ball bearings where they're supposed to come from. And they're just so loose that these guys gonna fall out. They get all over the floor. They're all greasy and nasty. All that gray stuff on my hand is just so gross. And I have a dog, so I worry about her eating them. So now I can't use this chair until I get new caster wheels because they're so loose and I don't understand why. I mean, my kid, I know this says they're like good for 400 pounds. My kid isn't even close to that. He's 180 pounds. He's 5'7". And he's huge for a 13-year-old, but he's nowhere near heavy enough to be too much for what they class on these. There, see? That should not come out, but it just did.
You too, bud.
Yeah, thank you.